What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. How are you doing? I got my tea here and we got a big unboxing. I actually have had this huge box sitting upstairs for like 2 years. I bought this 2 years ago with the intention of replacing something that I have used for almost 20 years. And I guess maybe I just didn't want to get rid of the thing that I've been using, but it's time to. So this is an Oster French door oven. It's going to replace my Calphalon toaster oven. That thing has worked wonderful for me, but the door is sprung. So it's time for it to go, and it's time to bring in the new. So what's up? It's Wednesday. We're going to unbox a Oster French door oven. So cheers, cooks. It's Wednesday. I have some tea to relax me. I've been doing a lot of decorating around the house for Thanksgiving. And right now it's pretty much a total bomb in here. But I'm getting it together and we're going to have some great fall decorations. So you're saying 2 years ago I bought this oven. I bought this oven 2 years ago. And it's huge. I didn't exactly realize how big it was until it came in the mail. And look at the size of this box. So this toaster oven is kind of interesting because it has French doors. They open this way. One of the things you have to do when you use one of these French door ovens is you have to be careful. Because when you open it and put your arms in there, you don't want to touch the doors because the doors are hot. So that's one major downfall of this type of oven. But otherwise it's kind of neat because it sort of opens up like one of those ovens you see in a restaurant. So let's finally open this baby. 2 years. 2 years it's been sitting in this box. They still sell it though. A lot of people really like this oven.
Hey, Boo. We're not going to mention where you bought it, but it's the letter that comes after P in the alphabet.
It's upside down.
Are we beyond the 30-day warranty?
Yeah, I think so. So let me get Eric to flip this over onto the counter. Wow, this thing is not just a toaster oven. This thing is a monster. I need some tea after that. Wow. This is definitely a lot bigger than my other one. Wow, I should have taken this out of the box earlier.
That's the general idea.
Wow. Okay, so if you can see that this has...
They got tape holding it closed.
Woo. This has double doors. There's still tape holding it closed.
Yeah, on the bottom. Hi, Boo's Appliance Center. How can I help you, ma'am? Oh, you're a little stuck. I got this on pretty good. I want to make sure my Boo can't cook.
Well, they got something right. So here we go. Here is the Oster French door oven. This is taking toaster oven to a whole nother level. So we open it like this. Ooh, fancy. Whoop. So let me turn it this way so we can take a look at it. Whoa, okay, this thing is huge. So it comes with this big owner's manual. It's actually a hardback little recipe binder that has lots of recipes in that.
But Boo-Boo, they're not calling it a toaster oven. They're calling it a countertop oven.
Yeah, a countertop oven. I mean, it is not like your regular toaster oven. It's huge. So it opens, like I said, just like this, like an oven in a professional kitchen. Whoops. Oh, there is an owner's manual as well. There you go. So it opens like the ovens in a professional kitchen. Woo! But make sure you have this thing open because you don't want it. This is going to be hot. You don't want to hit your arms on it when you're putting your arms in. So what do we? What?
And make sure it's level for demo.
Well, it's not level.
It's
yeah.
not level here, no.
So this is. Yeah, that might be a problem. So I take it this goes down here to catch the crumbs.
If you look at the owner's manual, my way.
This probably goes down here to catch the crumbs. This is a cookie sheet that fits in there. Here we got some racks. So comes with 2 racks.
Some ribs going on that.
Ribs?
Uh-huh.
I suppose you could.
It's kind of cold outside.
You gonna cook ribs in this instead of a smoker?
Yeah, we use liquid smoke.
Oh, Lord. No, we don't do that. So this is a cookie sheet. Right? This looks like a roasting pan. I'll probably use my own roasting pan. Wow. So one interesting thing that this oven has is you can actually do some grilling in here. And if you put this pan, this rack, one thing this rack is it has a bump out in the back, and the rack is shaped like the bump out. So you can put a big pizza in here. That's interesting. But also this rack has these little things in here. So if you wanted to do some grilling right on this rack, you can take this pan, slide this pan in here, and you can put your meat right on here and do some grilling, and it'll get your juices into this pan. Ooh. But then you're gonna have to figure out how to clean this. You can probably put that in the dishwasher. You can get a little gravy going. You can put a roast right on that rack or a chicken and do right like that. That's interesting. And each one of these has a bump out, so technically you could do 2 pizzas in here. I don't know, you'd have to move them around halfway through the cook. So I turned this on so you have toast, broil, pizza, defrost, bake, turbo convection, warm, and it also has a dehydrator on here. Ooh. That's pretty interesting because we were just talking, our time bush out there, it's huge and the frost is getting ready to come. So I need to put that time in the dehydrator, and I was like, I don't have a lot of room to do all of that, so I can actually run a couple sheets in here to just get it moving faster. So that's pretty cool. It's got a dehydrator on here. I didn't even know that. It has a convection bake. You can change the time, the temp, the time, start. And it has a light in it.
It's alive.
Yeah, it's got a light. I like it. Oh my gosh. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get out the Ank. We are gonna make 4 loaves of bread in the Ank. And then we're gonna bake some of them off in here. We'll probably bake 2 off in my regular oven and 2 off in here. Maybe as rolls, I'm not sure, but we're gonna use this. So we will be testing this out when we do we make the Ank. We make the bread in the Ank. So looking forward to that. Yay! My Oster oven is out of the box after 2 years.
Hey, Boo. How's this make your Wednesday?
It makes my Wednesday wacky. Skippity doo. We got the oven out of the box. Finally, I can get rid of my my old one. So, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great Wednesday. Stay tuned. We're getting the Ank out. We're gonna do 4 loads of bread in it, and we're gonna bake some of that off in the Oster oven to see how it does compared to my old dinosaur oven back here. So, stay tuned for that. Cancel. I hope you have a very fabulous week. It's Wednesday, and Halloween is coming up. So we're getting ready for that, right? So have a great week, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like. And if you have a toaster oven or any kind of oven like this, let me know how you like it. I mean, what you use it for. Also, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of our uploads. And also head out to my website, amylearnstocook.com. All our recipes are out there. And I'm putting up blog posts about some of our equipment reviews, so you can check that out there as well. And you can catch me on social media at facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook, Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram at Cookin' with Amy. Cheers, we got the oven going.